Look at this question very carefully. Most people rush the first part where they write this term as minus 4 square and a square root as 1 by 2. They simply cancel the power, get minus 4, which is totally incorrect. But the question is why? Because square root of any number must be greater than or equal to 0. That's why usually we denote square root of x square as modulus of x. But many students unknowingly write it as plus minus x, and that's where the mistake happens. Now let's solve this together. Square root of minus 4 square will become modulus of minus 4. That means 4. Let's look at the second term. I know negative power looks scary. I for one like to work with positive powers. So usually I change it to its reciprocal and now calculate its square root. This will become 1 by 4 and here 4. Multiply this and you get your answer as 1.